of 965 hertz. So that's actual frequency. So that is Fs, is actual frequency, 965 hertz. It's moving at a speed of 23 meters per second. So that's the actual speed of the source. So that needs to be Vs, 23 meters per second. So maybe think, like, to memorize this, that the S's are the actual, what it is of the source, right? So it's like the speed of the source and the actual frequency of the source, okay? So that maybe will help you, okay? So when you see the S's, think that's like the actual source's frequency or motion, okay? And then we also have, if the speed of sound is 342 meters per second. Now that's just meaning that's how fast sound is traveling through the air, okay? Which makes sense because it's about generally 340, 345, depending on the air temperature. And we are looking for F. Our formula is F is equal to Fs times by V over V plus or minus Vs times by, yeah. Okay, so am I going to use the plus or the minus? Minus, because it is moving away, toward. So towards, therefore we use the minus. So 965 hertz multiplied by 342 meters per second minus 23 meters per second. So F is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the 3 hertz. Oh, after the actual 1034.57 hertz, so to sig days. Okay, ready for number 2? An ambulance is driving from an accident at 27 meters per second. So that's the actual speed of the source. So that's Vs. A witness at the scene of the accident hears a frequency of 872 hertz. So that is the perceived frequency. So that's what they're hearing is 872 hertz. So that's just F, not Fs. That's not the true frequency. And if the speed of sound in air, so that's just V, is 344 meters per second, what is Fs? So we are moving, this is moving away, so we need to use positive. And we need to also rearrange our formula. So to solve for Fs, I'll just have F times by V plus Vs over So we'll put that in, and we have 872.
Why did you switch it?
I had to solve for Fs, so I just rearranged.
So why is there single V on the bottom? Can't you just divide?
No, I don't think so. I can.
Fs multiplied by all that in bracket. So can't you just divide by everything?
So if I go all this divided by Fs, all this divided by Fs, then I need to still solve for Fs?
No, can't you just divide by the v over v plus vs? I see that makes sense.
Can you come show? Yes. Yeah, that's the same thing, because this is then, you are dividing by the reciprocal. So I just switched it. I can do it bigger. I'll do it bigger. So Ray, you said to go Fs is equal to F divided by V divided by V minus Vs. I mean plus, right?
Oh, I get what you're doing now.
Yeah,
Never mind.
and so instead of just going divided by another fraction, I just went, so if I rewrote this, it would be like divided by V over V plus Vs. I just multiplied and flipped the fraction. So now I have Fs is equal to F multiplied by the reciprocal. So V plus Vs over V. Yeah? That's good? Yeah? Okay. Good to ask. So we have our 344 plus 27 over 344. So our Fs is equal to 940 hertz. Now, what I'm going to do right now, do you guys know what time you leave tomorrow for your tournament? You don't know? Okay. I'm going to show you something enough so that if you aren't here tomorrow, you can still do all of the assignment. So flip your assignment to the very back where you have an empty page. And I'll show you one more formula